It's today the 12th, I think. I did not wake up in the morning on the ceiling, so gravity hasn't reversed. 6 planets are aligning, and we're supposed to have quite the meteor shower. Starting already, but in about another hour at midnight it should be visible, except I don't know what's going on with all this lightning and weirdness above me, just like there usually is. They're going to try to take me out with HAARP. It's a possibility. I just want to get some lead lightning. It's been like not one though. It's been like four, like kind of wide and kind of like four lightning bolts at once kind of thing almost. So I was hoping to catch something cool here. I was hoping to see some of the meteor shower, but it's kind of like weirdly, this stuff. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to see it. I'll come back out in another hour if I don't. That's kind of what I was hoping to see, is more of this. So I'm going to do one more minute. Come on, where's the big one? 3, 2, 1. Thank you.